Hello students, class 6 once again. I'm Sudhi and welcome to my video. In today's video, I will try to show you the additions of the integers. Last time we have studied about integers. There are two types of integers, positive integers and negative integers. So these are the numbers having signs before them, plus sign or negative signs, isn't it? If it's negative sign, minus sign, then it is called negative integer. If it is plus sign, then it is called positive integers. So let us try to start the addition of the integers. So now we are going to start the operation of these integers, that is operation of the additions. So let us try to understand that how we can represent this addition of the integers on the number line. We can represent the integers on the number line, so the operation also can be represented on the number line. So let us see how we can do. Okay, clear addition of integers. For example, 5. So let us take one example here, my dear student. Let us think that 5 plus minus 2. Okay, 5 plus minus 2 means here we are adding negative integer, isn't it? Addition of positive and negative addition. So here we are adding a negative integers. Before this, how we can represent them on a number line? Let us say draw a number line like this. Okay, so number line we have to take 45. So let us start from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So here in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we count this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is 5? 5 is here. So here we are having this operation of adding a minus number, adding a negative integer. So adding a negative integer, please keep in your mind that we have to go towards the right side from the number. The number is 5. Not to the right side, to the left side of the number. Where is the number? The number is here 5. In this 5, to this 5 we are adding a negative integer, isn't it? Negative integer, that's why we have to go towards the left side. Negative होने से यहाँ में negative integer ऐड करने से नंबर से लेफ्ट साइड में जाना है. Okay, और positive होने से राइट साइड में जाना है. अभी तो negative है. Now it is negative, so we have to go towards the left side. How many points are there? Negative points. This from here 2. So 1, 2. So here we get the answer as 3 here. 3 is the answer now. And this part, can you see this part? This part will represent 5 plus minus 2 operation like this. Okay. And likewise, so what will be the answer? Answer is we get 3, that's okay, but no need to write here. Just you saw this, that's enough. Okay, clear? And just round it. Next, let us think that we are having another operation that is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. So we are going to show this on number line. My dear student, look here. In a positive integer, it is adding another positive integer. To a number, it is adding positive integer. If it is positive number, from that number we have to count or move towards the left side of the number or right side. Means to move towards the right side of the number. What is the number 2 here, isn't it? So let us start. I think 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anywhere you can get up to 6 or 7. Okay. And where's 2? The number is 2. So 2 is here. So from here we have to move on the right side of the number because of the plus number, because of the negative integer. So we are getting a negative integer, we are adding a positive, not negative. Okay, we are adding a positive integer. We are adding a positive integer. Here we are adding a negative integer. So it used to move from the number towards the left side. But here we are adding a positive integer. Positive integer. Okay, plus positive integer. We are adding a positive. We are adding a positive integer to a number. Which is a number? The number is 2. So 2 में हम लोग पॉजिटिव नंबर को ऐड कर रहा है. सो 2 से स्टार्ट करके हम लोग 2 का राइट साइड में जितना है 3, इसलिए इतना है 3 नंबर हम लोग जंप करेगा, हम लोग मूव करेगा. ओके, नाउ सी वी हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2. नाउ प्लस, इसमें प्लस मींस वी हैव टू गो टुवर्ड्स द राइट साइड. वी हैव टू गो टू द राइट साइड. इसमें यस 2 here 1 2 3 we get here. So this part, you can see this part will represent 2 plus 3. Now the answer is 5. Okay, so I will just show you the symbol or the arrow mark here. We are moving towards the right side of this operation, and for this we are moving towards the left side. So this way please, if you copy down, it's okay how we can represent the operations on the number line. It is addition of the integers on the number line. Okay, clear? So with this, let us start exercise 6.2. Okay. Hello my dear student, now we have the question number 1 of exercise 6.2, and in question number 1 is asking here to find out. So here question number 1 is asking us to write the integers on number line. What integers? You see here A and B. A, B, C, D are there 2 I'm giving for you, and there 2 I'm giving. Okay. So A, 3 more than 5. What is the integer? What is the number that 3 more than 5? 3 more than 5. 5 is there, but again 3 more means 8. How we can write? You see here number line. We draw like this number line, and then start from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can continue this matter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we are going to take a number that is 5 and telling that 3 more than 5. 10 5 से ज़्यादा होने से कितना मिलेगा? 5 से 3. Start from here. 5 is here, so more. Okay, if it is more, then we have to go towards the right side. 1, 2, 3. So this is the number that is 3 more than 5. It is 8. Okay, clear? Likewise, here also we will just circle it. Okay, the number. So the integer, write the integer on the number line. That is 8. So we are getting this 8 is the number to be written on the number line. Okay. Then next question you see. So 3 less than minus 2. 3 less than minus 2. 3 less than minus 2 means 3 less than minus 2. For minus 2 it is less 3. For minus 2 it is less 3. Then start from here 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. On the left side it is 0, isn't it? So where is minus 2? Minus 2 is here, and asking that 3 less than minus 2. 3 less. Less means we have to go towards the left side. It's like 3 times. From here, 1, 2, 3. The number is minus 5. So minus 5 is the answer of the question, that is minus 5. Okay, the minus 5 is the integer to be represented on the number line as per the question given here. 3 less than minus 2. 3 less than minus 2. minus 2 से 3 कम है, तो minus 2 से 3 कम मतलब लेफ्ट साइड में आना है, मोर मतलब राइट साइड में जाना है, isn't it? Clear? So the other two also you try. Okay. And with this, let us go to the next question. Question number 2. Okay, my dear student, now we have the addition of the integers, and we have here also we are going to use the number line here and do the addition. Okay, see here, my dear student, question number 2 is asking to use the number line and edit. So we are going to draw a number line here for this, like this number line we are doing here. Okay, number line. Then like this. So let us start from 0 here like this, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10 you can take because the number is 9, isn't it? 10 or 9 you can take. Now from 0 to plus 9, isn't it? Plus 9, so this is plus 9. Okay, this is plus 9 here. Yeah. The thing is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry, this is 10. Okay. I'm writing 10 here. So from here to here is plus 9. That means it is 9. Okay. 9. From here to here is 9. And then it's saying that to plus minus 6. So minus 6 means negative integer, so we have to now move towards the left side, isn't it? From here, from 9. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this. From here to here. Plus. So from here to here is minus 6. Like this. Come here and we cut here like this. So the answer is 3 now. So therefore 9 plus minus 6 is equal to 3. Okay. Next we have minus 1 plus minus 7 here. So for this, let us see like this. So let us start 0 from here and we write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 like this. So start from 0, minus 1. Where is minus 1? From here to here. Okay. So minus 1 is from here to here is minus 1. Isn't it? Then from here again. From here what we have to do is that, my dear friend, then it is to move to get another minus 7. Minus 7, so that means we have to move from the number minus 7. 7 points on the left side, minus 7, isn't it? So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this minus 7 from here. Then we got here the answer minus 8. So minus 1 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 8. This is the answer we get. Okay, then next let us see this one. This will be a little longer like this. Okay. So, my dear student, now we are going to go here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take up to 8. In here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Let us take up 6, 4. Yeah, minus 7, minus 8. Here also we take. Then start from 0. Minus 2. Minus 2, you see here, minus 2, it is up to here. So this is minus 2. Okay. Then from here at 8. 8, you have to add 8 to this number, and then we have to move to the right side of 8 points. यहाँ से 8 points now, right side में. So यहाँ से 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means from here to here is plus 8. Okay, from here to here is plus 8. Then here again plus minus 4. Minus 4 means negative integer, negative 4 points. That means we have to move again towards the right left side. 4 points towards the we are going to move 4 points towards the left side from this. Yeah, from here. Okay, from here. That means we are going to move forward. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, this is minus 2. Now, at last, how much we are getting here? 1. So, therefore, so my dear friend, let's come once again here. I will just left one here. See, from here is minus 2, is it? Plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means up to here. Okay, up to here. So this is plus 8. Okay, plus 8. And from here we have to move minus 4. Minus 4 means adding minus 4 means negative 4. Then we have to move it back on the left side from here. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here to here is minus 4. Okay, clear. So at last, how much we get? We get 2 here. So the answer, for example, minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4 is equal to how much? Is equal to 2 we get. The answer is 2. So like this. So the remaining 2 questions also please kindly try yourself. Okay. Then we go to the next question. So my dear friend, now we are going to add the integers without the number line. So here we have to understand some more points, some more other rules of the adding of the integers. Okay, that I will tell you. Now you see here, 11 is adding with minus 7. So what happened? See in the bracket there is minus and outside it is plus, isn't it? Yes. Once again, inside the bracket it is minus and outside it is plus. So minus and plus. Minus and plus, if there is again one outside is plus and another is minus. So here the signs are different. The signs are different. If it is happen to be 1 plus and 1 minus, then we will take only minus. Minus 7. Okay. Then what we have 11 minus 7, that is how much? 4 is the answer. Okay, clear. Then next, minus 10 and plus 19. So minus 11, next we have minus 10 and plus. So if it is plus, only plus is there. Okay, 1 plus will be there. If the plus are same, outside the plus, inside the plus. If plus is same, then we need to take only plus. So what happens? You see different integers. 1 minus 10 and plus 19. So what happens even though it is 8, okay, 8 or here plus sign, when the sign of number are different, when the sign of the number are different, we have to subtract. Okay, clear? Subtract what? Subtract 10 from 19. Subtract 10 from 19, then how much we are getting here? We are getting 9 here. So take this line, okay, take this line into here and try to find out which one is greater. 19 is greater out of these two numbers. 19 is greater. What is the sign of the 19? Sign of the 19 is plus. So the 9 will be plus 9. Okay, plus 9. Understand? So this is the answer. Next, here you see we get here minus 217 here plus minus. Now we just remove the bracket here. Here also we can remove the bracket. Remove the bracket and we get minus 10 plus 19. So minus and plus. So these two numbers are having different signs. So we have to subtract that value and we have to write. Okay, clear? There is minus plus 1. Then you see here, we open the bracket. Here also open the bracket. If you open the bracket, 1 plus 1 minus is here. So it is plus and minus. Then we will take minus 1. Plus minus 1 is a minus beta or 100%. Now here the two integers are same. Means all are negative integers. Minus this also minus. That means we have to add the values, add the numbers. If you add the numbers, how much you get here? 317. And the sign of the number in the answer that is 317, the sign will be minus sign. Why? Because both are the minus sign. And 317 is the sum of two negative integers. So this also will be a negative integers. This is one. Okay. So like this, we have to do with this. Kindly go through once again and again and try the other question also. Okay. So with this, let us go to question number 4. So my dear student, please look here in this question number 4. Only 2 I'm showing, 4 are there, so 2 you also okay. You practice. Now let us see question number 8. Question number 4 is saying that find the sum of. Find the sum of is 8 them, isn't it? 8 them. So what happens? Equal to 1, 3, 7, and put this minus in the bracket. दो साइन आ गया ना, तो उसको ब्रैकेट में डाल दो. Please write the number in the bracket. Minus number in the bracket. Then next one we have to see here 1, 3, 7 plus minus. We have to open the bracket and we found that two signs are there, plus and minus. Then we have to take minus 3, 5, 4. Okay, 3, 5, 4. Then what we have to see, we have to subtract the things, isn't it? We have to subtract the things. We have to subtract the number. We have to subtract the value. What we subtract now? Let us first subtract from 354. From 354 we subtract 137. That means you see here 7 here, and 4, 1 here, 2 here. Okay? So we got here 217. Yes, 217 you are getting here, 217. Then the answer is 217. But one more thing we have to do here. This is not the complete answer. To make the complete answer, what I have to do? Please check these two numbers. One is positive, this is plus here. Where there is no sign, think that it is a positive number. Number with a plus sign. Okay. And this is negative number, minus 354. 354 is the negative number. One is positive, one is negative. Isn't it? When one is positive, one is negative, then what we have to do, we subtract the number, then what happens? See which number is bigger here. 137 or 354. Yes, 354 is the larger number, so we have to take the sign of the larger number. The sign is minus, so this will be minus. Now the answer is minus 270. Okay, clear? Yes, minus 270 we got here. Now next we have like this. The next question is D. So D minus 50 minus 200 and 300. So here minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. Okay, so find the sum. Sum means we have to add all of them. Yeah? Add 50, 200 and 300. Minus 200 minus 50, they will all add together. Isn't it? Then open the bracket. Minus 50 plus minus will be minus 200 plus 300. My dear student, in this case, please you see here, these two are minus and minus. So these two numbers are same integers, negative integers. So add them first. That means we are getting here 250 minus 250, isn't it? And plus 300. So one is minus, one is plus. So we have to subtract them. Then we have to subtract the smaller value from the higher value. Then we are getting here 50. Isn't it? 50 is the difference of these two values, because one is minus, one is plus, so we have to subtract, isn't it? Then we got 50 here. So 50, what sign is the 50? Let us check once, okay, to complete the solution. Which number is bigger here? 250 or 300? 300 is bigger. What is the sign of 300? The sign of 300 is plus. So we write the plus here. So for the plus sign, no required. Just give the 50. Then the answer is finished. Okay. Whether you write plus or not doesn't matter. Okay. Yes, this is the answer of this question. So here we have the answer of question number 4, and the remaining B, C, please you try, okay, your practice. Understand? And you for this. Now next question number 5. Okay. Now my dear friend, the next question is find the sum. So two are there, so I'm going for you one and one for your practice. Okay. Find the sum. We have to add all this number. So next, try to open the bracket. Next step is to open the bracket. So here plus minus. So we'll take minus, isn't it? Now here also plus minus, we'll take minus 65. Here also plus minus, we'll take minus 8. See, all these three numbers are having the same sign. They are the same integers. Add them first. It is 37, and their sign will be minus. Add this all. 65 minus 2. I mean, that will be 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 65 is 75. Minus 75. When you add these three negative integers, you get the negative integer 75. Okay. Then plus 37 and 75. What we have to do? We have to subtract the values, isn't it? Yes. Subtract 37 from the 75. How much we get here? 75 minus 37. Here you get 8, isn't it? And 6. We get here 3. So we get here 38 as the answer, but this 38 is not the complete answer. We have to check for the sign, whether it will be plus or minus. See which number is bigger here? 75 is bigger, and what is the sign of 75? Minus. Take this minus, and you get the answer here minus 38. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Hello students, the next exercise we have, it is exercise 6.3 and the last exercise of the chapter. You see my dear student find. So what is asking here in the find 35 minus 20. 35 minus 20, you just see 35 and open the bracket, no sign, just keep this sign as 20. 35 minus 20, how much you get here? 35 minus 20 means we got 15 here, you minus 20 from 35, 15 here. So the sign, see the greater number, we have to, the sign of the greater number is plus, so 15 plus 15. Okay. Now next, you see here, open the bracket. Next step is to open the bracket. Open the bracket, you get here minus 30. Here also open the bracket, go any sign, just keep the sign minus 30. So both are minus minus. What are the minus number? What are the negative integers? So what we have to do, we have to add these two, isn't it? Add these two number, adding by adding here 33. Then their sign are minus, so this also will be minus 33. Okay, minus 33. Here why I am subtracting, because one is plus, one is minus, isn't it? And this will be plus because 35 is bigger, plus number is bigger. And now here, next step, open the bracket 32. Then here open the bracket. When you open the bracket, you find that 2 minus are there. If it is 2 plus are there, then plus. Okay. If it is 2 minus, then what will be? It cannot be minus, it should be plus. Plus 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 minus minus also plus 40. Remember this. Okay. When you find that in the bracket also minus, outside the bracket also minus, then the sign will be plus. Minus minus will be plus. Okay. Now we can have minus 32 and plus 40. So what we have to do, these two numbers, we have to subtract, isn't it? We have to minus. Then how much we get here? Minus 32 from 40, you will get 8. So what will be the sign of the number 8? The sign of this answer will be positive. Why? 40 is the bigger number and the sign is plus. So 8 is the answer. In this way, you can try the other 3 questions remaining in the question number 1. And my dear student, question number 2 and 3 are fill the blanks. Means answer is already there. You have to check only. So 2 and 3, please try yourself. Okay. And if you have any doubt, this you can ask me regarding the question number 2 and question number 3. Okay, so let us go to question number. So my dear student, this is the last questions and also the last exercise of the chapter. Now let us see. There are 4 questions, so I'm going to show you 3 questions out of this. One piece of practice. Now here question 4 also just telling that fine. Now you see here the next step of this A, B, A, C, B. Okay, minus, take out the bracket, minus 7. Here will be minus 8, and here minus minus will become plus here 25. So what will be the next step? Is that minus these two, you please add first. Then we get here 15 plus 25. These two number we are getting here 15, isn't it? Then minus 15 plus 25, we have to subtract. If you subtract, then we get here how much? Yeah, we get here only 10. So 10 will be plus or minus, 10 will be plus because 25 is larger. So plus, 20 is plus, not necessary to write plus. The answer is 10 now. Okay, clear? Next, here next, minus 7. Now open the bracket. First is open the bracket. The first is to open the bracket, plus minus, you got minus here, isn't it? Minus 8. Again plus minus, minus 90. Here, so all are minus, add all this. We add value, how much we get here? 105. 105 is the answer and minus is the sum. Because it is the sum of the negative integers, so this sum also will be negative. Understand? Yes. Yes. Next, minus 12. Next, we have 50. Here you see, here also minus, here also minus. So in this case, you have to make plus. Plus 40. Open the bracket. Here also you see minus minus plus 2. Okay. Then all are plus. Add 50. Okay. 50 plus 40, 90, 92 we get here. Plus sign not used. So 92 is the answer. So here is the solution of the exercise 6.3, question number 4, and with this we have completed our chapter number 6. And let us try to remember what we have studied in chapter number 6. In chapter number 6, we studied about the integers. What is the integers? Integers are the numbers having the sign before them as the plus sign or minus sign, isn't it? Having a minus sign is called the negative integers. Having the positive sign is called the positive integers, and they can be divided on the number line. And also, my dear student, you must understand that one more thing here I will show you. See, in the addition and the subtraction of the integers, you find that 1 plus is added with plus, then the answer will be plus. Okay. If you find that 1 plus and 1 minus is adding, the answer will be plus or minus according to the value of the number. If minus is greater, then it will be minus. If plus is greater, then it will be plus. Okay. Then if you add minus and minus, then you will get here minus. Okay, because two negative are adding, so the answer will be negative. And here if you find that 1 minus and 1 plus is adding, then the answer may be plus or minus. Plus नहीं तो minus होगा क्योंकि according to the value. Value जो ज़्यादा होता है उसका भी साइन रहेगा plus minus. Addition में. Same way. Okay, clear? Then one more thing here in the subtraction. Okay, if you found that 1 plus and 1 plus is subtracting, then you will get here plus or minus. Okay, clear? Then means plus minus will come here. Then means you get the answer as a plus or minus. Okay. Then if you find that 1 plus and 1 minus is subtracting, then you will get here plus sign. Okay. Then again, if you find that 1 minus is minus with another minus here, then you will get here plus or minus. Because minus minus plus आएगा. ये minus minus plus आएगा. इसमें plus आएगा. ये तो minus minus plus आएगा. Plus minus होगा तो minus plus होगा. इसमें then if you found that 1 minus and minus with another positive integers, okay, then minus minus will give a minus. Then you have to check. Okay, clear? And for the for the multiplication is different. Okay, for example, you find that 1 minus, okay, and 1 minus is plus. यहाँ में प्लस साइन माइनस साइन तो कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है? Then if you find 1 plus and 1 minus, then it is minus. If you find that 1 minus and 1 plus, then it is okay. Yeah, plus is also be minus. If you find that 1 minus and 1 minus, then it is okay. Without the sign in between, then it becomes plus. So all these things please remember as part of your study, and with this we come to the end of today's sessions, and I conclude my video here. So my dear friend, we will meet again in the next video. Till then, have a nice day, and thank you once again. We will meet again in the next video, in the same channel, in the same with the different topics, with different lessons. So till then, have a nice day, and thank you once again for watching my video. Bye bye.